Uncle, can you get me back home safe? I'm very drunk.
You don't worry, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. I'm here. I will take you to your home back safe.
Uncle, I'm so drunk. Uncle, I'm so drunk. Can you help me with that? Can you help me with that?
I know you are drunk, beta. Please, please keep quiet, keep quiet. I will take you to home.
I will try to keep quiet.
I will take you to home.
I just don't know. I'm so drunk.
I know you are drunk.
I'm so drunk.
I know.
Uncle, how will I go back home? My mom.
I will take you home. I will take you. I will take you home.
Just don't tell her that I'm drunk, okay?
No. I'm not going to tell her. I'm not going to tell her. I'm not going to tell her. Please.
আমি রাস্তায় মা। আমি রাস্তায়।
Bengal chemical.
Uncle বলো।
Bengal chemical.
হ্যাঁ। Uncle কথা বলুন।
আমি নিয়ে আসছি ওকে। আমি বাড়ি পৌঁছানোর 5 মিনিট আগে আপনাকে কল করে দেবো, আপনি তখন বলবেন, ঠিক আছে?
Uncle, am I drunk?
না লোকেশন।
Uncle, do I act drunk?
Please. Let me talk to your mother, please. আচ্ছা। হ্যাঁ, আমি রাখছি। আমি আপনার বাড়ি পৌঁছানোর 5 মিনিট আগে করছি। এখন আমরা উল্টো ডাঙা, টাইম লাগবে, রাস্তায় ট্রাফিক আছে। আপনি নিশ্চিন্তে থাকুন, আমি পৌঁছে দিচ্ছি।
Uncle, I'm খুব drunk.
Yes, heavily.
I'm trying
Can you
to
relax?
sober up myself.
You
My mom is
can't.
going to slap me up.
Yes, you should. She should.
She should.